from Maidenhead town centre, and there's been an art market on today, and I've been down, and that's what this video is about. And it's a very nice day, Saturday. Bit windy and blustery today, really blustery late last night, but all in all right. I went down on the bus and an hour later I'm back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Gerry Broad's the name, making videos the game. Thank you. Slough Art Society. Hello there.
Hello there.
Hello, this your work, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, very interesting.
Thank you.
Do you do it mostly just from memory, do you? Or do you
yeah.
take pictures and then...
Some, like, these sort of pictures, that sort of.
What's that? Get space?
Yeah, Milky Way over
okay.
the Grand Canyon.
From the Grand Canyon?
Yeah, like underneath that, it's like silhouettes, but
okay.
a lot of it's from memory.
That's the Horseshoe Building in America, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm knowledgeable, you see. Very interesting. Cheers.
No worries.
You do all small stuff, do you?
Yeah, only this size.
Are they postcards, are they? Or
Just kind of little pieces that you can put up.
what inspires you?
Songs.
Songs?
Songs and poems.
Oh, okay.
Kind of lyrics.
So do you write your own poems?
No, I just find amazing ones
Oh, right.
and use those.
There's lots on the net, isn't there? Oh, very good. Right, we are Saturday and we've got our on-street art market going. Windsor Arts Guild.
I think that it needs to be. But anyway, religious rather than
It's been done. We used to it's quite open, so it's not.
as a player. So hardly was about 7.
Is this your art, is it?
This is mine, yeah.
Oh, very nice.
My buttons and gems.
It's all buttons, is it?
Buttons and gems and beads and crystals and
Oh,
start
very
off with
good.
buttons and then work into the smaller orifices.
Oh. Hello, how are you?
Good, thanks. You?
Yeah, making a day of it, are you?
Yeah, why not? Why not?
Bit cold and windy, isn't it?
It's so windy.
Are these your donkeys?
Yes, well, the thing is, these are my donkeys, but they're based on a donkey that I saw which I wanted, but I couldn't have it. So I needed something to remember the donkey and pretend it was mine. So this is my way of pretending.
Very nice, I like it, it's very good.
Thank you.
I know you
Work, are they?
They are, yes.
Oh, what inspired the scorpion and the antler?
Well, I found a whole load of wire. It's all found wire.
Is it steel or copper?
A bit of both.
Uh-huh.
So this bit, the tail is actually barbed wire,
Oh, is it?
whereas these claws were made from sort of green garden wire.
Oh,
So
right.
it's all sorts of wires.
And then you spray them up.
And when I was wondering what I could make with them, I quite like the detail you get with
Yes.
insects
Yes.
and scorpions, and that was what inspired me to make it, because obviously wire, although it's quite tough,
Yeah.
is actually quite fragile.
You don't mind me filming you,
Yeah,
do you?
that's fine. So this is the first one I did,
Yeah.
and it came out really well. I was very pleased with it. So I made a second ant, which I've actually sold, and then I went on to make the
So
scorpion.
what do you sell them for then? Must be a lot of work.
Yeah, I'm selling them actually for a lot cheaper than I should
Well,
do,
you-
because they do take longer.
Well,
But I mean, I actually made this about, seven or 8 years ago.
yeah. Oh.
So you know, I'd take £30 for that one. This one,
But how many hours do you think it took you to make it?
I can't really remember. I quite often do a bit, put it down, and do a bit more.
Probably a
another
couple
day.
of 3 evenings, would it be?
This is probably maybe 8 or 9 hours or so. This one maybe 10 or 15 hours. 'Cause
Yeah.
It's got a bit more to it.
More complex. That's very interesting.
There you go.
So what's this, all parts of old plates and things, is it?
Yeah, again, so, I mean, this is all found bits of old crockery and
Yeah,
plates
yeah.
and vases. I mean, who knows what it's all from. These are old clay pipes.
Oh right, ones that you used to smoke, yeah, they were very popular in the, in the 1800s, 1700s and that, and beyond. Clay pipes were very popular.
They were, yeah. And then and these ones, yeah, it's just all sorts of different found pieces, some stones and shells and all sorts.
Yeah. Oh, very good. Nice to meet
Very
you.
much.
Thank you.
Can't hold it back anymore. Just gonna let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. Here I stand, and here I stay. Let it go. So thank you. Love your hat. It's me and me can breathe. I don't wanna leave a life behind. Just believe in me. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Turn away and slam the door. Here I stand. Here I
Is this all your work, is it?
Not all of it. This bit is mine. Yeah.
So what inspired these then?
These, well, I don't know really. I think I kind of just was playing around and doodling, and then I started to make them bigger and bigger and bigger,
Yes.
different colours, and I think that really they were a little bit about claustrophobia.
Oh, really?
Yeah, not really. But they look like almost mammals, don't they? I don't know. I can't tell you what they really mean. What do you think they look like?
They look like moth things.
Moth thing. Oh, cocoons?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, they've got that. Yeah.
You couldn't see it yourself.
No, but I can see what you mean.
Sorry. How about yours? What inspires yours?
To do with like ancient land, and these are goddesses of different elements.
Yeah. That one there with the shiny one.
Yeah,
What's that painted on?
it's on canvas. It's got resin and gold leaf on top.
Oh, looks very interesting.
Oh, thank you very much.
And that's your daughter, I presume? Or sister? Oh. Enjoy yourselves.
this thing, that's the lift, readjust the legs back there. This side, so that's what you're standing on.
Was
Then when we get a gust, they were just.
This don't matter, this works in any light. It's great. Oh, nice to have met you. And
Us stuff we just keep together.
yeah, well, Charlie Stadmonk, can I? Charlie Stadmonk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice to have met you.
And you. Cheers.
Okay.
Browns up. Good old days.
really, really sick.
So, I've done a couple of
I want to carry everything with me.
Hello.
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 Hello there, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Is a lot of this your work, is it? Okay, oh. Very interesting.
And this one.
Oh, you paint on silk, do you?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
very nice.
And that has been,
Are you a peacock, are you?
I'm a proud peacock. It was a part of a caterpillar in Brownlow Hall,
Okay.
half term, and it's now at South Hill Park. South Hill Park,
Okay. Oh, that's Bracknell, isn't it?
yeah, and it's there until the 24th of January.
Very nice.
That's the hoop, and that's a metre across.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's a tenner. I mean, up in some parts of the